Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up two-factor authentication on Bright. Securing your Bright account with two-factor authentication or 2FA adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. Open the Bright app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon or head to the Settings tab from the bottom navigation bar. Scroll down and select Security Settings. Look for the option that says Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA and tap on that. You're going to be prompted to choose a verification method. Bright usually supports SMS verification or authentication apps like Google Authenticator. If you choose SMS, enter your phone number and tap Send Code. Bright will send you a 6-digit code via text. Enter it to verify. If you prefer using an authenticator app, scan the QR code shown on the screen using your app, and then enter the verification code that it generates. Once verified, 2FA will be activated, and you will now be required to enter a one-time code every time you log in from a new device. It's a small step that adds huge security benefits. And that's how you lock down your Bright account with two-factor authentication. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright security tutorials and finance tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.